Hey everybody, welcome back to Workbench. Saturday evening and just kind of chilling and running some errands with my daughter. Ran up to the hobby shop so she could pick up new Gundam models so we could work on that together. And now I'm down here in the basement getting ready to do some work on mine. I'm going to do the AMT 25 Chopped Coupe. That's this one right here. I think it's a pretty sweet kit. It's just going to be box stock. I don't think I'm going to do the cycle fenders, and I'll show why in just a moment. But I got the parts washed and dried, and as I was looking at this, a couple things. For starters, the steering wheel's broken. I think I could fix that easily enough, but again, just simple, straightforward kit. One thing I did notice is that this is not a great plating job. This is just one. You might be able to see it right there. I can see it through the camera lens, but the plating is rather, it's missing in a couple spots. Most notably, on one side of the moon tank, as you can see right here, and then the oil pan, and a couple more pieces of the rims, much the same way as the other one. And then, of course, you can see on the side, definitely not the greatest plating job, but the rest of it doesn't look too bad. It'll do well with a nice black wash. The wheels I'm not really concerned with because I've got two remaining sets of Z-Man wheels, and I'm trying to decide still whether I go with the green with baby moons or if I go with the red ones. The box art has red ones. I might just do that, but I like these instead. But if you notice, one key reason why I'm not going to go with cycle fenders on this one is just, at least for the front, you can see they don't fit. I can use these cycle fenders for something else someday, but I think I'll just have these just like that. Okay, nice little rat roddy. Again, I don't know which one I'm going to go with, the red or the green. I'm going to just start working on the kit now and put those out of the way for the time being and get to it as soon as I get some sub-assemblies done. I'll be right back. Okay, as you can see, about an hour and a half of work while getting lost in watching some Cold War Motors YouTube videos. I got sub-assemblies put together, primed, and ready for color coats in the morning. As you can see with the chassis, I went with an all flat black look. I will be doing a semi-gloss paint for the chassis, probably flat black for the body. Not sure yet, still thinking about it. But because there was more issues with the chrome tree, then I was willing to leave the chrome on the suspension pieces, especially around here, the center section. I wanted this to kind of look like one of those vehicles that got cobbled together with pieces from other projects that were discarded, and there's a patina to it, or they maybe just shot it with a couple cans of Krylon black and called it a day. You take this out of the garage, fire it up, throw some gas in it, cruise around. If it gets dirty, if it gets wet, so what? Hit the garden hose with it when the weather gets nice, and you're done. So that's how I'm going to do that. But otherwise, the engine, I got that primed, mostly put together. I am missing I'm looking everywhere, and I think I just got short-shotted. This should be right next to each other, the Lincoln valve covers, but I only have one, and I looked everywhere for it, can't find it. I did manage to find some almost the same size valve covers. I'm thinking these may have come from my 57 Ford. I'm not exactly sure, but I had them, so I'm going to use them. They're not perfect, but you know what? The kit's not perfect. The real cars aren't perfect, but once they're built, they're perfectly suited for the person who owns it and drives it, and this is going to look perfect on my shelf. I'm still going to do the Z-Man wheels. I'm still debating whether I go with the green or the red. You'll find out once I've made a decision, and then I'll save the other set of rims for another street rod kit that I'll be doing sometime later on this year. But with that, I'm going to go on ahead and put this away for the night. Hope you're having a great weekend. I'm going to post a separate video regarding the 2023 NASCAR group build that's being sponsored by Jeff's Model Garage and by Fred Henry. So be looking out for that video as well. In the meantime, I'm checking out your videos. We're almost at 800 subs. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Keep liking and subscribing, telling people about this channel. Tell people about other channels too. And let's keep the model community going. We'll catch you next video.